how to set up an Amazon Echo Pop. This is a full step-by-step guide. So, first things first, this is everything what's in the box. You do have a little pamphlet. However, it's very basic what's inside the box. You just have the Echo Pop and a plug to power it. You will need a smartphone to set it up. Well, that's the easiest way to set it up and the way I'm going to show you today. And you can do this on an Android or an iPhone. You want to go to either one of them app stores and just search for Alexa. And this is the app you want here. I've already downloaded it, so I'll just press open. Now, let me just sort this out so it's a little bit easier to see. So if you don't have an Amazon account, you will need to register here. However, if you do have an Amazon account, you can simply log in. Now, when you first purchase your Echo Pop or whichever Alexa device you've purchased, it will ask you, do you want to pre-register it? And you will not have to go through this setup state if you do pre-register it. But I chose not to because many people don't like to. So I'll just go straight into the setup process. So I'll log into my Amazon account. I'll skip this part for privacy reasons. So we're logged in. What we need to do is just agree and continue. Choose your account. Make sure everything's correct. Press continue. Keep pressing continue if you want allowed in notifications. Now it'll ask you, do you want to set up a device? So we'll select set up a device. It'll automatically search for your device. Now I have not plugged it in, and I've done that on purpose to show you what to do if it doesn't find your Alexa device. So obviously mine's not going to find it as I've not plugged it in. So I'll plug it in and I'll show you what to do if it doesn't find it, even if you've plugged it in. So I've now plugged it in. I'll say, mine's an Echo Pop here at the top. Is your Echo plugged in and displaying an orange light? Ours isn't. I'll press no. And it'll tell you what to press. Mine should automatically go into setup mode, as you can see here. And you will get this audio display here. So now we're in setup mode. I can just press continue here. And now we're getting that orange light. We can press
your
yes.
Your device is ready for setup. Just download the Alexa app and follow the instructions.
So after that audio, it'll just keep repeating in different languages. We can select our device here. It'll search for your Wi-Fi, and it will use the Wi-Fi you're currently connected to on your smartphone. Once it's all connected, it'll tell you that everything's set up.
Updating your device. I'll let you know when it's ready. Your Echo is ready.
So now, Alexa is fully set up. But if you want to fully set it up, just follow the on-screen instructions here. Select your address. I've blanked that out for obvious reasons. Press continue. You can name your address. I'll just press home. Now if you're going to get multiple Alexas, you can set it to a group. It'll tell you a little bit about your Amazon Alexa. As this is an Echo Pop, it's telling me what the buttons do. We can just keep pressing continue. We can consent. Now any of these you can just say remind me later if you don't want to set them up. I'll follow the voice ID, just saying these different commands here. I'll allow it access to my contacts. You do not have to do this. You can just select remind me later and that will skip it. And that's it. We're all set up. Now, when you first set up, you will get one notification. And this is indicated with this yellow light here. And we can see it on the app here that we have one new device notification. So, let me just read it for you. Alexa, Play notification.
Good afternoon, Tech. You don't have any notifications. There are unread messages. One for Tech. Now you can call and message friends and family with supported Alexa-enabled devices. Enable drop-in to use your Echo devices like an intercom. Received just now.
And now, as you can see, now it's read the notification. That yellow light has disappeared. Now on the pop, you can turn the volume up or down with these plus and minus buttons here on the top. And it goes really loud. And you can mute it here. Or you can actually say, Alexa, volume 3. And you can see on the device, that white bar comes down to around here. So that's it. You've now fully set up your Amazon Echo Pop. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thanks for watching.